So today we're going to review the Thinkbee Fast Charger. I got this Thinkbee Fast Charge because my phone the battery was flat out, and I couldn't get it to start or charge after plugging in the USB cable. So if your Samsung phone is pretty much dead, the Thinkbee Fast Charge would be a quick way of getting the phone started again. So first, you plug the USB cable to the back end of the fast charger, and then you plug the other end into the adapter, which is what I've got here. You plug it into the adapter, and then you plug the adapter into the mains socket. And now take note of the battery levels. It shows that it's at 33%, and as soon as I put that in, the fast charger acknowledges it's charging by showing you the 33% synopsis. And you can also see the light turning green, and as soon as I take that off, it turns blue, which shows that it's not charging. I put back the phone, the light turns green, and the charging indicator shows 33%, so I know for a fact that the phone's charging. And that's how you charge your phone. And if you've got 0% or less than 0%, this Thinkbee Fast Charger is capable of reviving your phone. That is its pro, and its con is that the downside is that it's not as as fast as your traditional or conventional charger that came with a Samsung phone. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you later, bye.